Oh, he's taking the gloves off. He's serious. Here, give them to me. Go, Mikey. Go, Mikey. I don't think I want him on anymore anyway. Barry, can you hold these?
How deep is it?
Oh, just go. Here, Mary. Thanks. All right, go, you guys, go. Let's go, Mike. Come on. See those mechanic arms at work. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yeah. Come on, Mikey, don't let your dad show you up. Here, videotape. Get Mikey.
Wait, where are they? Oh my goodness, I cannot believe you haven't fallen. Go, Mikey!
Oh yeah, you got it. Go.
I know. Come on, Laura.
You're almost there. Come on. Come on.
Woo! Come on, Mikey! Woo! Laura, you're awesome. Well, they're slippery and wet. There's Tan Man.
Let's go, Nate. Come on, Nate. One at a time.
You right?
One at a time, Nate. One at a time. Almost there. Come on, concentrate. You're almost there.
Come on, Bri.
Almost there. Come on.
Come on, Bri.
One more.
Come on, you're almost there. Halfway. Keep going. Oh, come on.
Come on, Doc. Swing it now. Let's go.
Get a load of this guy, right?
Go backwards. All right, is it off?
No.